Titties are the backbone of America. 69. Everyone has been making fun of me.
Oh! Let's go, baby! America! Welcome to the video. It's Blakeman. Let's do some backflips. Let's have some fun. We're gonna go on a journey today. It's lake time. Happy 4th of July! Cheers for Danny Washington.
For somebody who flexes in the mirror as much as he does, he really complains about carrying a 30-pound cooler down a ramp to the boat.
That's what we're swimming with today, boys.
My hat! My hat! Darn it!
That was my favorite hat. We've had this conversation 10 times, and what's the first thing that happened? His hat flies off. He's dead to me. I love that hat. Maybe even more than I loved him.
Front or backflip? Call it.
Back.
Backflip?
Yep.
Alright.
Blake's never been exactly flexible and never thought he could backflip in his life. In college, he failed yoga twice. I thought you only had to show up to class to pass yoga class. I hope he hurts himself.
That's not a flip.
That was not a backflip. I'm pretty sure Blake is directionally challenged. We told him to do a backflip and he went face first into the water. I don't know how he gets around.
So this will fix everything. Why are you kneeling? Alright. Wait. Here we go.
I was gonna try, Blake. That was better. You keep turning the boat.
How's your back? That was like a belly flop, but backwards. I can literally barely swim. I sink. How am I supposed to flip? I have literally no idea what I'm doing. All right, this is take 2. You get better every rep, right?
Do a flip.
Oh!
Blake, that was so close!
What would Goku do?
Goku flip. Goku flip?
Goku flip.
Wish me luck. Oh! That was good! Let's go! Let's go! We're gonna run it back. Champions right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, let's go! Oh! Oh, let's go! All the grapes. Ah! Why does it rot me? We took the hat off.
Titties are the backbone of America. Hashtag free titties. I like to party, but I don't know how to dance to what Blake plays.
Blake's getting pretty good at DJing, but it was about 1:30 a.m. last night and he was playing a hardstyle headliner set and we all went to bed.
Everyone has been making fun of me for reading the whole time, but joke's on y'all because I'm getting smarter than you.
So I've been planning this trip for months, and of course, when it finally arrives, what does the forecast say? Rain, lightning, all day, every day. So we have this new method we're gonna try out.
The reason that I wanted to braid my hair with the girls is because my hair was in my face. That f***ing sucked. And I'm so secure with my masculinity that I have f***ing braids now.
It was a great time. It was a survival experience, but we survived.
I had the most fun that I've had in the last 5 minutes.
Hell yeah.
12 out of 10 would do again.
How would you rate this weekend?
69.
My name's Blakeman. Well, let's go on an adventure, and I hope you're ready to get wet. I had a great time impersonating you all weekend. Somewhat of a Blakeman impersonator. It's hard work because no one likes it. Impersonating skills were 10 because I spent too much time with you, and my weekend was also 10 out of 10.
I love America. Follow me on Instagram at Blakeman. Follow my stream at Raiko Music on Twitch. I love you guys. Get better every day. Catch you later. Welcome to the lake. It's Blakeman. It's time to do some backflips. Let's go.
Yeah!